turn the helmet, well, you can turn your eyes. And this has a lot of adjustments to it.
My one has a good one, which one has the air, get to that. So.
Little air in there? It does indeed.
And but it's even like you can like weld without air, but the filter is very good,
Then the other one is these tips. Having them clean. I'll already show you. Got a machine here.
Yeah, you might make it.
It's all contaminated.
Right.
You touch the rod.
Yeah,
Sometimes this won't fit. Sometimes I have to go under here and do that to get it in here. Once you get it in,
you might make it like you need it.
exactly.
A little bit, but I just never practiced with that.
And of course, with it like this, when you light it up, it's more precise. You usually have several of these sitting around, so I could just have it go. See, I got another one sitting there, so if I'm well along there, I don't want to
Just change it.
And then of course they have these tips for stainless, steel, aluminum,
Titan, titanium.
whichever. They have different.
Titanium is the same with the stainless steel, right? You use.
Yeah, I'm not the technical guy. I have the guys here that know. Well, that has 3% peroxide and 2%. I don't know. I'm like this, like with a computer. I don't want to know how the hell it works.
Right.
Well, what makes it work? Just tell me how the hell to operate the thing. I'm good to go.
Yeah, I feel that.
Where's the gas pedal? The cool thing about this, like that dot right there, that might be a leak. You don't necessarily have to put a rod in it. Sometimes you can just heat this up
Yeah, and it's like
and drag that big part into that, because this metal will flow to the heat.
Right. It's a little bit like with a torch welder, Like just get heat.
Look at another one. There's another one right there, small. I'll pressure test all this stuff too before I use it. Or if you can get a flashlight into it and go into a dark room and look, see if it's got a leak.
Sometimes